What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another episode of In the Kitchen with Retro. Today I'm in the kitchen here, and I'm showing you how to make the perfect toast. So yeah, that's what we're cooking today on the channel, toast. So I already got my butter set out here, right? That's good butter, olive oil and sea salt. I recommend setting that out 24 hours ahead of time. That way it's like good and soft, you know. So whenever you do want to have toast, you kind of want to schedule accordingly like that. Get on a butter schedule. All right. I do have some Memphis barbecue sauce. I am going to be drinking that with the toast today. I think that's going to be a nice pairing. So now it's just a waiting game. Oh, I even do have my toaster tongs here, so those are nice. You know, that way you're not burning your fingers reaching down in the toaster like that. I think I got these on. I guess one of the few items I got on Pampered Chef. So now it's just a waiting game. We gotta wait for that perfectly toasted toast to pop up. So when it's ready, we'll do the butter application. Awesome, the toast is ready now. Get my toaster tongs here. So there we go. We got the perfect, isn't that nice? Perfectly toasted on both sides. Now we just need to apply just a little. We're going to go light on the butter today, so we're just going to go like that, and voila. Let's taste it out. Let's see how it is. That is some good toast, folks. You have it here. Oh, the fire alarm, smoke alarm.
Everybody run! Everyone run for your lives!
We're fighters for truth, justice, and the American way.
And liftoff. We have liftoff. Challenger has cleared the tower.